Hey there, I hope everyone is doing fabulous today. I just wanted to give a quick shout out and say thank you to all my wonderful art fans and followers and subscribers on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and everywhere. I am so appreciative of your support. It means the world to me. Art is my passion, and it just makes me want to do more for you. So I'm really thankful to share my journey with you. I have most recently started a Patreon page, and the link is below my YouTube videos if you would like to check me out. And I would love for you to just take a look at it and see if that's something you are interested in doing. If you're at my Patreon page and you have decided you would like to support me, here are the basic levels of support and the perks that you will get along with that. Just a little background, I have been an artist for over 20 years. I was a decorative artist in North Carolina in a smaller town, and I did that successfully for 20 years and really loved it. And I'm self-taught, and I pretty much learned my skills as I went along. And I just happen to be really fortunate and blessed to have the art gene in my blood, is all I can say. My grandfather was a fabulous artist, and my mother is talented, and my aunt is a fabulous artist out of the Wilmington area. So I was just really blessed to have this gift of painting, and through YouTube I have learned that I am also a fairly good teacher, and I am so excited to say that I want to offer some online courses in the near future, and I will be letting you know more about that as time gets closer. And I'm going to be trying to start teaching classes in real life in cities in the surrounding area of Fayetteville, North Carolina, and in Fayetteville. And so if you're in this area or anywhere in the North Carolina area and you're interested, please let me know. You can always reach me at my website, www.sandralett.com, and you can email me there. You can contact me there. So I just wanted to let you know about the Patreon thing. And if you're on my Patreon page, thank you so much for coming here to support me. So the first level that I offer is the support team level, and it is the very basic level, the very bottom. It just says, hey, Sandra, I love your artwork, and I love what you're doing, and I love what you're sharing with people, and I just want to support you on a monthly basis for $2.50. So it's a monthly pledge of $2.50, and it just says, you know, I really like what you're doing, Sandra. Keep it up. You're doing a great job. And that lets me know that you're supporting me in that way. The second level is the basic level, and that is $5 a month. And for those that sign up for $5 a month, I'm going to offer an exclusive Q&A video strictly for my patrons. And that means that this will not be posted to YouTube where all my other videos are. It'll be strictly a Q&A from my patrons, what they would like to hear from me on a personal level, their own personal questions about art and that kind of thing. So that will be a 1-hour Q&A, roughly an hour if it takes less, depending on how many questions and answers and that kind of thing. But that will be exclusively for my patrons. The next level is the Art Gold level, and that is for $15 a month, and you will also receive the exclusive Q&A video just for patrons, and also I will offer you a 30-minute one-on-one private Skype or other type of call where we can just talk on a personal level. So I look forward to connecting with you that way if you choose to sign up. And then I have my Premium Master Gold, which I just added, and that is $30 a month. And you'll get access to the private Q&A for my patrons only. You will get 1 hour Skype or other call once a month just me and you talking about art and other things. And then also, your monthly pledge of $30 will get you, after a 12-month period of consecutive pledges, you will get a free original painting from me of your choice up to 360 square inches. So, for example, a 16 by 20 painting is 320 inches. So, that means that you could get a free painting of your choice up to that size. And that would be after 12 months of a subscription of successful pledges. And you would be eligible for that every 12 months. And I'm always going to be adding some other little perks into the patron pledges and give you a few little freebies here and there that I won't offer everybody else. So please consider being my patron. It means so much to me, and I really want to share some extra things with you that I don't just share with the people on Facebook or YouTube. This will be just strictly for my patrons on Patreon. So thank you so much for showing up here, and I hope you will pledge something monthly to help me continue my art journey. Thank you so much for your support.